Hello, my name is Whitney Cook, and welcome to an introduction on how to use a library catalog. Today, I will show you how to use a public library catalog to find a specific book. Please keep in mind that while most catalogs are going to be similar, there are many different types of catalog programs out there. School libraries use a different system, so please ask your librarian for help rather than relying on this video. That being said, this video is going to be most helpful for public library patrons ages 10 and up who can use a computer by themselves. For this video, we will be using the J.H. Wooters Crockett Public Library Catalog, which I already have loaded here. They have a great selection on the front page, but we're going to search for something that is not featured. Today, we will be looking up The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs by America's Test Kitchen because my two boys have taken an interest in cooking and because we just need it. You can search for books in a library catalog in a few ways. Move your mouse up to the top left corner where the search bar is, and notice that to the right of the search box is a second box with a drop-down menu. Right now, it is set to search all fields. You can search by title, subject, or author. Go ahead and click that, and we're going to select title phrase. Then, we are going to type part of our title into the search bar. The Complete Cookbook, and hit go. Now we have 3 matches. We're in luck. This library has 2 copies of the book. See? This one is in hardback, and this one is an ebook. And because we used the word cookbook, we also got a third option that we weren't looking for. If you click on the hardback version, it will bring you a summary about the book that tells you the medium, the title, subjects it covers, the number for the book, page numbers, its ID, and the location, and that it's currently on the shelf. If you were a member for this library, you could actually log in and place a reserve to pick the book up later. But that's a different video. I hope that this video has helped you learn how to use the search function of a public library catalog. Remember, not every catalog is the same, but most use similar search functions. Make sure to read the functions, and if you still cannot find something, ask a librarian. Good luck with your future searches!